Hello everyone, on this video I'm going to show you how to color your hair with henna. Henna doesn't work with black hair or dark color hair, but it works very well with gray hair or blonde hair. And there are 3 types of botanical materials you can apply to dye your hair. And the first one is henna, or you can call it pure henna, red henna. And the tone of the henna is orange or red. And the second one is indigo. The tone of indigo is blue, black, or green. If you prefer a darker shade of the color, you can add a certain amount of indigo in the paste. The third one is turmeric powder. Turmeric powder is not a good dye. It's gone easily and it can last only 1 to 2 weeks. But if you prefer a lighter shade, or a brighter color, and you can add the turmeric powder in the mixture. If you don't know how to mix the color, you can select the hair color blended by the supplier. This is the Lime Mountain Bright Red. This is the Lime Mountain Auburn. And this is the Rainbow Research Light Brown. There are so many colors you can choose from on the market. Let's talk about the conditioner. There are several types of botanical powder you can add as conditioner. Cassia ovata is a popular one, which is called neutral henna. Amla is also known as an herbal ingredient to strengthen your hair. Trifala powder considered amla is also good for hair health. Apple trifala powder because it's cheaper. Cinnamon powder works well to condition your hair too. Let's move on to the tools. Take a fresh box and a scraper to mix your henna. Get a pair of gloves, couple shower caps, several clips, and get a bottle of Vaseline to protect your skin. This is my cape cover to prevent the stain. This is my heating cap. Pour henna powders with conditioner powder into the container. Add some lemon juice or vinegar to stimulate the dye. Afterward, add coffee, black tea, herbal tea, or warm water to blend the henna. Mix the powder with the liquid until it becomes a creamy yogurt consistency. You have to wait for 8 hours until the dye released. The color of the paste will turn out into dark brown when the henna is ready. It's similar to blend the indigo. Pour coffee or black tea into the powder. Blend the powder with the liquid until it becomes silky or creamy. You don't have to sit the indigo for a long time. The dye will be released immediately. When your henna is ready, here are some natural ingredients to help restore moisture to dry, frizzy, and damaged hair. Olive oil is an option many recommended, but the more you add, the more dye ability be limited. If you would like to blend the oil in, just add a couple drops. The egg is another good choice, but your hair would smell terrible after hair dye, according to my experience. Okay, yogurt is my favorite. Adding some plain yogurt to the mixture will enhance the hair treatment performance. hair became soft and shiny after adding yogurt.